y'all. Just checking in. Look at Andre cleaning up the garden. I'll be back with a garden update very soon. I got a lot growing. Lot growing in the garden. So that's my new little cut flower bed. Zoom in so you can see it a little bit closer. There's a big sunflower going right there on the left side. But I'm gonna cut flowers from there and bring them in the house. It's also a pollinator for my garden. Brings pollinators to my garden, I should say. Look at Andre working in the garden. Oh, look at him. He gonna go ahead and water for his wifey.
You know, you got this cord.
I ain't about to fuss at me.
Get down and do your job, woman.
See, he said,
Get in the shower.
get down here and do your job, boy.
Come back and blow this stuff up out of here.
Okay, here I come. Coming now. See you later.